Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic for Application series that is running into my channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to learn a brief details about the exit do loop. So if you didn't have watched my previous video about the exit for loop, I will give you the link I button and also in the description box. Please check that and you will find the download link of this workbook which I am using in this video into the description box also. At first go to the developer tab, click on Visual Basic, or you can directly press the Alt and F11 key from your keyboard, right? Now here insert a new module by clicking on Insert and Module, right? So let's start. So basically I have a database where you can say there is an error into number 17 line, right? So here we need to find that error with the exit do loop. So let's get back to the Visual Basic editor. So here write at first using the sub procedure following the procedure name. I am naming it to better understand as exit do loop, right? Then hit the enter button, come to the next line. Here we need to declare our variables by using dim. I am selecting I as my variable and the type of this variable will be as an integer, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Here we need to declare what is I stands for. So I'm typing I equals to 1. Now come to the next line. Here we will use the do until loop. Type do until I equals to greater than 100, right? Suppose we have rows in number of 100 and we are searching for an error into that rows only. Hit enter, indent your code by pressing the tab button. Now type if range bracket. If you remember, we have a database into our column number A, right? Here into the bracket, into double quotation, type A, that is our column number, ampersand symbol I, close bracket, dot, select value from the drop down menu. Now type equals to, in double quote, type error. Then now it's time to apply our conditions. Hit enter, come to the next line and indent your code into the if statement. Type again range equals to, in double quote, type A, close quotation, ampersand symbol I, close the bracket, dot, select, hit enter button, come to the next line. Now we are going to use a message box here which will show our message. Type msg box, in double quotation type your message. I am typing as here is an error, right? Close the quotation, hit enter. Now it's time to exit our do loop. Here we are going to use the exit do loop. Type exit do, hit enter, unindent your code. Now it's time to end our condition. Type end if, hit enter. Now here we are going to use an condition like I is equals to I plus 1, right? Hit enter, unindent your code for the last time. Now type here loop. That's all, your code has been completed successfully. Now let's close that Visual Basic editor and let's run our code and let's see if our code actually works or not. Go to the macros, select your code and run that code. Look at here. Now this error contained cell has been selected and message box has been popped out showing a message that here is an error. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another part of this video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.